In this short tutorial, I will show you how to block someone on Google Chat using your mobile phone. Sometimes, you may want to stop receiving messages from a specific person, and blocking them is the best way to do that. To get started, open the Google Chat app, and then find the person that you want to block. Tap and select that person. After that, tap on the person's name or the email address at the top left. And then simply tap, Block and Report. Now it will show you this pop-up. Block and Report. This person won't be able to message you directly, and their messages in the space will be hidden from you. They can still read any messages that you send to the space. Simply tap Block to block them on Google Chat. Also, if you want, you can report this person, and a copy of the last 50 messages will go to Google. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.